In this video, I am going to show you how to create a bootable Windows 11 USB drive to work with unsupported hardware. You will need two things. You will need to download Rufus and get a Windows 11 ISO. First, you want to go to Rufus website. You're going to go ahead and download the latest version. And after that, it's done downloading. You want to go to the Microsoft website to download the Windows 11 ISO. Download Windows 11 disk image ISO. You select Windows 11 multi-edition ISO, and then you go to download. Then you select your language, which for me it's English. Confirm, and there it is. Windows 11 English 64-bit download. You go ahead and download that. I'm not going to download it. I already have it downloaded. So here's the next steps. You want to go ahead and open Rufus. And once you open it, you're gonna look for, so it says bootable selection. You have to go ahead and select and open the Windows 11 ISO. You download it. For me, it's on the desktop, new folder 2. There it is. Go ahead and select and open. And once you do that, you gotta go to image options. The first one is standard Windows 11 installation, TPM 2.0 and secure boot. You want to click that and then go to the second one, which is no TPM and no secure boot, which is what you want to install Windows 11 on unsupported hardware. Go ahead and select that, and all you have to do next is press start. Make sure you have a USB flash drive greater than 8 gigs. Make sure that you back up all the files because all the data will be deleted. And for me, I have no data in there, so I'm going to press OK. And then it's going to start creating the bootable USB drive with Windows. Okay, now that it's ready, go ahead and close and go ahead and restart your computer. And I'll show you how to boot to the USB drive through the BIOS. So when you're done installing Windows 11 on your flash drive, go ahead and connect it to your computer that you're going to install Windows on. Power it on. On my computer, I have to press delete to enter the BIOS. It may be different for you, but this is an Asus motherboard. And for me, it's a F11. Delete. And what you want to do is look for the flash drive. So for me, it's NETAC only disk. So you want to drag that to the front. Some of you have different motherboards where you have to go to like advanced. That shows like this. For that, you just go to boot, and it should show you the drive down here. See, boot properties, boot option. So for me, it's NETAC only disk. That's the flash drive with Windows 10, 11. And what I do is just save and exit. Changes resets. Alright, so the computer will restart, and it will boot with the USB flash drive with the Windows 11 installation in it. So this computer has a i7 3770 and a GT 610. So those are outdated hardware and not supported by Windows 11. So it doesn't have secure boot and it does not have TPM 2.0. But Windows 11 can still be installed by using this method. Alright, there it is, it's loaded. So from here, just go click next and install. Usually by now you get a message saying your hardware isn't compatible for Windows 11. But since we have the special installation on the USB flash drive, it won't ask us that. Click I don't have product key, and then here you can select the operating system you want. You can select Home, Pro, or any of these other ones. So if you click Pro, I'm not going to install Windows 11 on my PC. I actually still use Windows 10, so this is just showing you how to do it. Click Next. Click I accept terms. Click if you want to upgrade or just custom install. Let's go to custom install, and here's all the drives. If you're doing a fresh install of Windows 11, I recommend deleting all the partitions for the Windows installation media. It might show other hard drives that have files or data in that. You don't want to delete it unless you backed it up. But yeah, just leave that one alone. So this one's disk 3, and drive 0. So these you don't want to delete. But any drive 1 is the SSD, and you can go ahead and delete those and install Windows 11. I'm not going to install it for me because I'm still using Windows 10. But this is how you do it. The easiest way I found to install Windows 11 on unsupported hardware.